In this video, I will show you my absolute favorite Medium writing strategy that has gotten me over 1 million reads in the past year and made me consistently over $5,000 per month. And if you're a beginner, if you're just looking to get started on Medium, make sure to check the link in the description because you will receive a free 5-day training with which you can get things started. But let's move on to the video because we've got a lot to cover. So, one of the most powerful things on a platform like medium.com is that in the eyes of Google, it is a reputable website, a popular website that has a lot of content and a lot of coverage in different areas. And due to this reason, these blog posts that you publish on Medium tend to rank on Google. And that is the key to this strategy that I'm talking about in this video. So if you, let's say you started a blog from scratch, you create a website, you start publishing content on it, even if you do that for a good 6 months, even 12 months, you might still receive no traffic from Google because your site is still small, it hasn't established authority or trustworthiness in the eyes of Google. And you can kind of take a shortcut and skip that phase altogether by starting on a platform like medium.com. Obviously, that has some cons to it, and I will talk those a bit later in this video. But when you do that, you can start to publish content, and your very first blog post could easily rank on Google in just a week or two. And that has been the strategy that I have been using. But I'm not writing about myself. I'm not writing about my dog. I'm not writing about random topics. But what I'm doing is instead I'm focusing on topics that people search for on Google with a credit card in their hands. So if you check my blog posts, you can find a link to my profile in the description. You can see that I have a lot of blog posts such as best AI tools for students or best AI headshot generator. So whatever, best something, and then I have a list of these products. And also I do some software reviews and product reviews. And the idea behind that is that I target people that are only a 1 or 2 clicks away from making a purchase. And the way I monetize this traffic is through affiliate marketing. So this basically means that I write a blog post, I have, let's say, top 3 recommendations in a specific category, such as AI tools for students. And then for each tool, I leave an affiliate link. And if somebody Googles that topic up, they find my blog post, they read through it, and they find my affiliate links, and they click on those, and they proceed to make a purchase, I will earn a commission. And that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And now that sounds technical. There are quite a few steps before somebody buys and stuff like that. But in fact, it is very easy for anyone to join those affiliate programs, especially if you're talking about software, and even more especially if you're talking about AI software, because those startups just quickly set up an affiliate program and they will automatically accept anyone to their marketing effort. That is super useful. So all you need to do is find those affiliate programs, and you can sign up to those by just filling in a simple form, in most of the cases in 15 seconds, and then you can start to promote their products and you will earn a commission. And in the software space, especially in the AI software space, these commissions can be very high. So if I bring in a customer that pays, let's say, $50 per month, I will earn up to $25 per month from that user. Yes, you heard it right. So the commissions can easily be 20, 30, even 50%. And yeah, those are recurring. So that means that if I refer one customer that has read my blog post, and if they keep on using the software that I have recommended for, let's say, 2 years, and they pay for that, let's say, $100 per month, they are paying $2,400 during their lifetime for that software. And now if I earn, let's say, a 20% commission, that one reader, that one customer will bring me almost $500 in total during the next couple of years. And that is absolutely incredible. But obviously, there is a downside to this strategy. The cons of this strategy is obviously that you are contributing to an existing platform. So this is not your own business if you write on medium.com. Let's say you get 100,000 visitors to medium.com. Well, the Medium authors and the Medium creators and all these co-founders are very happy and the investors are smiling, but that is unfortunately not growing your business. So if you started a website instead, for example, a WordPress website, which is the most common solution, and you did that from scratch and you built your own traffic, your own brand and your own loyal following, then you would keep all basically. So if you at some point want to sell your website, you can do that. But selling a Medium profile is something that I haven't heard of before, and it would be very tricky, and the value would obviously be a lot less than what you would get from a website because you don't own Medium. They could basically close your account overnight. They could get rid of all your content overnight. So I wouldn't build too much upon this. But if you want to, I would say you can write like 2, 3, even 4 software reviews per month, and over time you will build a really solid income stream from Medium, and that can be even recurring income if you have chosen your topics and products carefully. And actually, one more thing I need to mention is that this might sound like there is a chance for a passive income, but that's really not the case. There is no such thing as passive income. So even if you have a customer that pays recurringly every single month and you get a commission every single month, they will churn at one point. They will stop using the software at one point. And I have noticed that even on Medium, even though this strategy sounds very powerful, you reach a ceiling very soon. So after you have published, let's say 30, 40, 50 of these posts that I just mentioned, you will start to see that these older posts start to lose traffic, and you will start to lose these customers that you have brought while these new posts are basically building up. So you will hit a ceiling where 3 new posts or 3 old posts go down and 3 new posts go up or whatever, but you get the point there. So that is not like an infinite money printing machine where you can just publish content and they will rank forever. No, that's not the case. So yeah, there is no such thing as passive income, but it can be semi-passive. So you might easily have a blog post that will rank on Google for like a year, even 2 years, and you might get traffic for that time, and you might also bring in new customers during that time as well. So you might publish a blog post today and it might still be earning like a couple of $100 per month next year.